everyone, it's Millicent from Ether. Today I'm visiting Hunan Machine Home Information Technology Factory. You can see here is their warehouse, and all the parts here is the parts of the cream or also pump truck parts. So let's check more details here. And we can see here, those are our hot sealing pads. And here is the superstructure control valve. And here is the proportional control valve. And here is one of our another hot sealing pads motor. So if you want to know more details about our pads, you can check our website or you can send email to us. Thank you for watching.
Ether technology makes foreign trading easier.